of the race is beautiful. Sunset in behind us, sunrise. Leaving the coast of Daytona Beach. Should be an epic ride today. I think there's about 100 and some people. We're gonna have some fun, I think. All right. Woo, look at this. It is beautiful over here. Ormond Beach, Daytona. Very, very nice. And beautiful down through here. All right, everybody, we're at Ride Market in Daytona getting ready for this Florida dual sport ride. This should be pretty fun. We're coming in here to Ride Market, so we're going to check out some bikes, see if my buddy Tom has actually finalized his purchase or not. They tried to get me to get one of these things. Hello.
What's going on, Matt?
How are you doing today?
Really good.
Look at these beauties here, folks. So if you're in Daytona, come on down to Ride Market. They got everything you can ask for. There it is. This is the one that Tom has debated for the last 24 hours whether to buy or not. Brian, how are you doing today?
Good, man. How are you?
All right. You're going to be on the tubes now. Just FYI. Tom, did you sign and drive?
So looking to change the date on it. I'm not quite sure if we should move it to like where we're at now or do it earlier in the year. I'm gonna ask you guys, you want it early in the year or you want it like around this time again? All right.
All right, folks, we are leaving on this dual sport ride. Life's Journey at 50, live from Florida, folks, all the way from Cincinnati. Yep, I hear you. Hey, for a guy that lives in Ohio and riding through this stuff, this is pretty cool. Brian, you all right? That's all right. I'm behind the white van, but I'll pass them. Brian, I have to say, I saw that whole thing. I had it on video, and next thing I know, I just followed you. Your path. I got hooked up into it. I was just like, screw it. I went up in the grass for a little bit, and then went back into the sand. You think? Yeah, and you're making me go down. I'm good. We're good back here. Yeah, just out in the middle of nowhere, and then you're back in the 4-foot sand. Right. All right, why are they coming back the other way? Oh. Where's the YouTube guy at when you need him? Okay. Oh yeah, don't slow down. You can't slow down, dude. You gotta stay on it a little bit. All right, now you're making me slow down. Oh, you made me slow down, dude. Oh, Jesus. Brian, you all right? Easy, Tiger. Easy, Tiger. Oh. Oh, I'm fine. No, I didn't go down. I just lost it. Okay, what are we doing here? Oh shit, you need help? Hold on. Hold on, I'm coming. I got him. Hold on. Are you okay? Hold on. Take a breath. You okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You tell me when you're ready. 1, 2, 3. I got you.
Power through this shit, man.
It's all right. Take your time. I got you.
Okay.
Okay. Well, at this stage, you're going this slow, kind of duck walk it. Yeah. Yeah, because once you're down already into this stuff, unless you got a good plane of speed going, you're better off being down here and duck walking. Just take your time. You're okay. You're doing good. Hey, just get a nice steady flow going. You're okay. Let out on the clutch a little bit. Let out on the clutch a little bit and just walk it on through. You're okay. Let it, yeah, just Nice and easy. Feather the clutch and keep on going. You're okay. We got you. Hey. More clutch, less throttle. More clutch, less throttle. More. Here, watch. Clutch, just a little bit of throttle and... Do you have your traction control off?
I think my traction control is causing that.
Yeah, you need to take your traction control off.
Let me see if I can do that. Hold on a second.
I got you. You're good. Yeah, get into your riding modes, take your traction control fully off. Clutch, and then just a little bit of throttle. You got to feather your clutch.
Okay.
You've got this, okay? I'm here with you.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
My first time in this shit. So.
That's okay. Hey, this is what you learn for, right?
Yep.
Just take your time. And again, feather the clutch, little, you know, and just a little bit of throttle. And then just duck walk it with it, okay? Just let it out until you start seeing it pull. No. You got it in gear?
Yeah.
Okay. Let it out until you start feeling that back end pull. Why is it not going now? Yeah, get it in first gear. Yeah, you're not in gear. There. Oh boy. Okay. Turn it off. Turn your bike off. You might have burned your clutch up. Yeah, I think your clutch is fried, dude.
Huh?
I think your clutch is fucked up. Yep. Yeah, your clutch is fried.
Damn. Horrible.
Well, I don't know. Anyways, hey guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? All right, let me go up there.
What do you think? You got too hot or something? Or?
Hey, he fried his clutch. He's well, you can see me back here waving my arms. Oh yeah, guys, the guy with the Transalp tore his clutch up. He's fried. He's toast. I think he tore his clutch up.
Are you good?
Oh, I'm fine. I was stopped here to help him.
I come back check on you.
You all right?
I'm good. I'm waiting for them to go through so I can run some speed.
Got it. Yeah, I stopped to help him. His clutch is fried.
That's the clutch.
Is that your buddy on the Transalp back there? Oh, yeah, his clutch is done. Can't move. So now that I'm slowed down, I'm just going to duck walk it now. Yeah, you guys are more the expert on that than I am. That 1 pounder's gone already. Ugh. Well, no, I thought the other guy tore his clutch up. He can't. I couldn't get it in gear. Couldn't get move. Oh, he took the whole cable out of the thing. They took the whole cable, the clutch cable, and tore it all out of that Honda Trans out back there. So where's his buddy that rides the other Trans out? His clutch, and they tore the clutch cable out and refiltered it back in to fix it.
What was happening? What do you mean? What was wrong with the cable?
You can ask them when they get here, but yeah, I couldn't get it going any mode. It wouldn't even budge, wouldn't even engage. I thought maybe it was the pressure plate or something like that, the clutch pin. But
It's a brand new fucking bike.
I know, 800 miles.
Yeah. If he's got it on the
Yeah,
It's a while. They pulled the cable and it worked.
that's what they were doing. Yeah, to get it going.